Digital marketing is dying, and this is why. If you're an affiliate marketer, course creator, content creator, but you don't know where your industry is headed in the next 5 years, listen closely to what I'm about to tell you. If you don't get what I'm about to reveal to you, you would suffer the same fate as Nokia, Yahoo, Blockbuster, Kodak, BlackBerry. These were big companies in their time, but because they refused to adapt to change, they were obliterated. They got so comfortable with what was working, they forgot it would change. One thing I always tell people about change is, in this video, I'm going to show you what is changing in the digital marketing industry, how you can tap into it and leverage on it before others get a hang of what's happening. If you're a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, basically you sell something online. One thing I always tell people about change is it's a very hard thing to adjust to. And I was one of those people that always promoted the don't be afraid of change. But when it came, it was a very, very hard pill to swallow. One of the very bitter pills I've been forced to swallow in the last couple of weeks was when I accepting that the industry I'm playing in, digital marketing, is taking a huge turn. And what was working for me, what we know as the working strategy, was working for me already. I mean, I'm getting results from it. But after carrying out research and knowing that, oh, this is what's working, this is what's not going to work, in the next 3 years, this will be totally wiped out. Trying to settle with the fact that this is also hard. Like, what is going to be working in the next 3 years is hard to set up now. So you're just going to be forced, you're going to be tempted to sit down with what's working for you already. But with the lessons I've learned, if I've not learned anything at all, with lots of things I've learned so far after studying all these big companies, is that change respects nobody. If you don't tally with it, they will leave you behind. I mean, Britain was one of the biggest. Britain was the world power. They ruled the world for about 400 years, the whole world. But look at Britain now. I mean, their power has not faded, but they're not even recognized as the world power. I mean, look at Russia. Russia was the great USSR, greatest world power, the Soviet Union. But look at where Russia is. Their power has not faded exactly, but they are not as powerful as they were. Change happened. Look at Greece. Alexander the Great is humble Greece now. If you don't align yourself with what's working, change, you'll be left behind. I heard one very sad story, and it's about Blockbuster. Blockbuster was, like, you can say Blockbuster was the Netflix of their days. Basically produced hard CDs for, when you slot in your disc to watch in a video player, and all. That's what they were doing. They were the king of movies. And the funny thing is, they funded, as a human being, business owner, entrepreneur, you need to take your research seriously. They funded the project, the research project of course, what is going on in the industry, what should we tally with, what should we go on with. And the researchers brought the results telling them, oh, something like digital movies would start coming out very soon. Should we tap into it? They're like, oh, that's a lie. People always want to watch movies from their CDs. People always want to watch movies from their home movies and everything. And fast forward to like 2 years later, 3 years later, digital movies actually came and wiped them off. Likes of Netflix, Amazon, they wiped Blockbuster. Most of you might not even know what Blockbuster is, but they were like the kings at that time. Change happened to them. So as a course creator, I had to summon a lot of courage to make this video, because this is what people heard and act on it before they release it. So if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a course creator, I'll make a separate video about course creation, because it's not what we think it was before. I mean, I'll make it probably the next video. So what actually was working in the past? I mean, let's take it back 3 years ago, when affiliate marketing was introduced into Nigeria. Most of you already know how. And there was this craze about it. Most of what was working that time was running ads to your flyer and holding a WhatsApp class, all those things. Webinars, at a point, webinar became the main thing. People start hosting webinars on YouTube, teaching you, do the offer stacking, tell you this is the price for this. If you're paying this night, you know what I'm saying. That worked for a lot of people. I mean, there are some people that can try it now and it won't work for them, because the Nigerian market has gotten used to that strategy, that funnel. Not only have they gotten used to it, they get tired of it already. So what's not working in our era now is information, selling information. One thing you need to understand is, in the past, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you could teach someone what something is about and then sell them the how. This popular phrase of teach them the what, sell them the how. I promoted that so hard. I practiced it. It worked for me. But it's not working anymore. Why? Because information is now commoditized. Information is now ubiquitous. Anyone who wants to learn how to make money online, you can't come online and say, come, I'll teach you how to make money online, come, I'll teach you how to generate leads, come, I'll teach you how to create content. Anybody can do that now. They just open their ChatGPT, they can open their Claude, they could go on YouTube and carry out research on it. So you see where you're now being taken off the table. And when I learned this, honestly, you feel a little bit of dread, you feel afraid. Oh, what am I now going to sell? Just settling with the fact alone that you no longer sell information. If you want to stand out, you should be the one that gives out information that other people pay for. And that thought of, if I give them everything, what am I going to sell them? The thought comes, okay, and I'll help you with that thought. But now you understand what's not working. That's selling information. What then is working? And where is the digital marketing industry headed in the next 5 years? First thing you need to understand is community first business models will eat traditional courses for lunch. And I say this to say the traditional courses are the ones that, you compile a bunch of videos, PDFs, you sell it. People are no longer looking for information. People have gone from the planning pain to the execution pain. So someone is no more paying you to plan how to start creating content. They can go on ChatGPT, they can go on YouTube. There's a lot of content that can help them do that. Plan. What someone is going to pay you for now is to help them execute what they have learned. And the faster you move to that side of the chessboard, the better for you. People are no longer going to pay for information. People are going to start paying for accountability. People are going to start paying for community support peers. People are going to start paying to get direct access to someone who has done that specific thing they want. People are going to start paying to get real-time feedback on a specific thing they've achieved. And the earlier you understand this, the better for you. So about accountability, people already understand that I need to create content. I mean, a content creator knows I need to create content. A content creator knows I need to make videos. I need to edit my videos properly. But I'm not doing it. So what an average content creator will pay you for is not to teach him how to edit videos or how to create content or how to form his content calendar or how to build his content calendar. He can do that on ChatGPT. What he's going to pay you for now is he wants to go on a 30-day content challenge, but he needs someone to be accountable to. Now, you can move into that aspect of, we're hosting a 30-day challenge, pay this. So instead of creating a 3,000 naira course or a 5,000 naira course, you can tell them, we're going to host a 30-day challenge. My goal is to make sure you post content consistently for 30 days. This is what is going to happen in that duration of this challenge. Every week, we have weekly calls. I go through your videos, criticize it. You can now add other offers to that, but the main thing you're selling there is accountability. You can sell community support. I mean, like I said, community first business models are going to eat traditional models for lunch. And I saw this, but it didn't make sense to me at the time. I mean, look at school, at Alex Moses' product. What is school all about? Basically, at the core, it's just a community-based platform where course creators have direct access with people, their students. That's all. And see how it blew up. So that sends you a message. People want to stay in the midst of others who are learning what they are learning. People who understand their language. If you're doing e-commerce, people want to stay in a place where they drop a word and nobody's asking what do you mean. Like they interact, because whether you like it or not, community-based learning model always wins against self-paced business model. If you're creating your course as a course creator or you're promoting a product as an affiliate marketer, you're no more going to start saying come, I'll teach you how to do this, come, you learn how to do this, see people that have been doing this. You're now going to sell accountability, find a way to impute accountability to your product, find a way to impute community support. That's very easy to do, create a group. I mean, and sooner or later, they would start the community itself becomes an ecosystem. You don't even need to be actively there. You can sell transformation. Now, that's one key thing I had to do. When someone is buying your product or someone is paying you for something, what is the clear transformation they will have? You need to picture, you have to make it clear to them. Tell them, if you're buying this course, this is what you'll be able to do by day 10. This is what you'll be able to do by day 2. This is what you'll be able to do by day 5. Make their transformation clear to them so that when they get it and go through it, it builds their confidence. Okay? You also need to know how, if you can, impute direct access to you, because that's what people will pay for. And you need to be niche specific. I used to hear the niches and the riches and the niches. It didn't make sense at the time, but now, if you want to stand out, you need to be niche specific. You can't come and start saying, my target audience are people who want to make their first million naira. No, That is for ambitious people. When they've made their first million naira, someone who is now teaching how to make your consistent 200K will take them away from you. So why not just start with how to teach them to make how to teach them to make consistent 200K per month. That way they can increase it to 1 million per month or whatever. I'm saying all this to say, carry out proper research. I've just given you the basics. With what I've told you in this video, you could go to your Claude. I prefer using Claude for this research than ChatGPT. Go to your Claude, carry out proper research, understand where the market trend is going. Ask Claude, where is sales funnels, where is sales funnel marketing as we know it going in the next 5 years? What used to work? What is working now? What will be working in the next 5 years? Where is marketing? Where is content strategy? Where is content marketing going? Ask questions. Okay, and the tip is put it in explanatory style. Use explanatory style so to break down everything, right? So I believe I've helped you in this video. And if you want to join my growing community of young entrepreneurs, hit the link in the bio. It's free, don't worry. When you join the community, I also give you access to a 3-part series where I explained I went in depth on how to create your customer avatar, how to create an offer that's so irresistible, and the 5 common roadblocks that most business owners face before they scale to 7 figures. These resources are free. All you need to do is just join the community. You gain access to it, you fill the form, it will be sent to your email. I believe I've helped you in this video. As usual, share this video with just 3 of your friends. No more, no less. As always, where you are right now, it's not your final destination. Shall meet you at the top. But for now, lock in and represent. God bless.